I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone is ready. Update iOS, clean the True Depth camera, and remove any screen protector that may obscure sensors. Once done, go to Settings, open Face ID and Passcode, and tap Reset Face ID. You do this because software updates and a clear sensor eliminate common causes. The reset clears corrupted enrollment data. Now begin a fresh Face ID setup immediately, keeping your face centered and rotating slowly so the phone captures full angles. You continue by performing the detailed enrollment properly. Hold the phone 10 to 20 inches from your face and rotate your head in a smooth circle to complete both Face ID scans. Make sure ambient light is even. Avoid backlighting that silhouettes you. If you wear glasses, try without them briefly or disable attention-aware settings temporarily to avoid false rejections. If enrollment still errors, run a quick front camera check, record video, and inspect the True Depth area for obstructions or physical damage. You finish by testing Face ID across the lock screen and apps like App Store and Apple Pay to confirm consistent behavior. If problems persist, back up to iCloud, then reset all settings. This preserves data while clearing system-level conflicts. Make sure to rerun Face ID enrollment after the reset. One key troubleshooting tip: if software fixes fail, perform a DFU restore or contact Apple Authorized Service. Faulty True Depth hardware often requires professional repair, so avoid prolonged DIY.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.